Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Shreya. In today's video I have for you another Amazon beauty haul video for the month of February. Please excuse me if you hear a little background noise due to construction work going around in my area since almost 1.5 weeks now. Trust me, I've been trying to delay this video as much as possible, but since February is almost coming to an end, I don't see the point of delaying it any further. So please bear with me a little longer, and yeah, without wasting any minute, let's jump straight into this video. My first purchase from Amazon is this rose water facial toner by The Natural Wash, and this is how it looks like. Now I've seen Shreya Jain reviewing this and raving about this a lot, so I wanted to give it a try as well. And I have received this product a week back, so I have been using it ever since, you can see. Trust me, now I know why she raves about this. This is such a nice toner. It just refreshes and hydrates the skin whenever you feel dry or dehydrated. You can just spray this all over and you're good to go. So I would highly recommend you to give this one a try. The next product in line has to be my favorite aspect about a haul video, which is lipsticks. I got 5 lipsticks from the brand Fashion Color. Now I have been seeing this on Amazon for a while now, and I wanted to know how these perform. So this is how it looks like. These are all non-transfer lipsticks, and I'm planning to do a swatch video, so stay tuned for that. It will be uploaded in a day or two. And yeah, this is how it looks like. These are very inexpensive. Next product is again a Shreya Jain's favorite. If you have been following her, you would know that she raves about this lip balm by Juicy Chemistry. It's the Blood Orange and Rosehip Organic Lip Balm. This is how it looks like, and this is how the inner packaging looks like. I'm really impressed with the packaging. When you open this is how the inside of it looks like. As you can see, I have used quite a lot. This smells heavenly. It smells legit like orange, and safely I can say this is by far the best lip balm I have ever used. The consistency is so thick, it lathers and just stays on your lips and makes your lips so hydrated and nourished. So I would highly recommend you this. I'll just show you the consistency. This is very thick. I don't know if the camera is picking, but absolutely a dream. I see myself repurchasing this again and again. Plus, Juicy Chemistry products are fresh and totally organic. These can be used only for 6 months, as they are just freshly made. So fresh batch of products. I highly would recommend you to try this lip balm. How can my haul be completed without a Miniso product? The next product I got from Miniso has to be their perfume. It's their Oriental Poppy Color of Life, and this is how it looks like. It's lavender and so pretty. It looks amazing on the vanity. If you like citrusy fragrance, you would absolutely love it. Oh my god, this is heavenly. The only disadvantage, actually a big disadvantage, क्योंकि perfume में आपको क्या चाहिए, long lasting, and this needs to be reapplied after every 2 to 3 hours, which does make it a hassle. But if you don't want a fragrance which is long lasting, you can give it a try. But who doesn't want that? I don't know, but yeah, so this is what my take is on this product. Next product is a face wash. I have been using Himalaya's Neem face wash for the longest time, and I did want a change, so I went ahead and gave this one a try. The Face Shop's Rice Water Bright Foaming Cleanser. I have been using this again for almost 1.5 weeks. This is so good, and this is on the pricier side for a face wash, but trust me, worth the money. I absolutely love how gentle and mild this is. It just cleanses the face without stripping away the natural oil. So yeah, a must try from Face Shop. The next product I got is from the brand Minimalist. It's their Alpha Arbutin 2% serum, and this is how it looks like. Again, I have been using this for a while, and I can't wait to share my thoughts. I absolutely love it. A detailed video on this serum, or rather this brand Minimalist, would be up very soon. Let's see when, but yeah, this is an amazing product. The next product is a little out of my comfort zone, but I wanted to give it a try, so I did. This is from the brand Miss Claire. It's their 100 nail tips along with the nail glue. This is how it looks like. Okay, so basically I'm not a big fan of growing nails. You can clearly see इतना भी बढ़ गया कि मेरे को irritate कर रहा है. I might just chop it off, but अच्छा लगता है यार, और मतलब थोड़ा सा बड़ा, so I thought why not? Let's see if this works for me or not. I'll see some YouTube videos and try it out. When I do, I'll share it on my social media, so go ahead and follow me there. The next product in line is a kajal by the brand House of Makeup, and this is how the outer packaging looks like. I've seen a few creators creating looks with this, so I was like chalo dekh lete hain. Plus kajal khatam ho gaya tha. This is how the inside looks like. This comes with a sharpener, which I have managed to misplace. I'm sorry for that, but here's a swatch. This is insanely pigmented plus super long lasting, and the price I think is pretty decent. This is what I'm wearing right now. It's super long lasting and this does not smudge, so finally I think I found my favorite kajal, and I would highly recommend you this. Before I show you my new product, I would like to tell you all that I am traveling next week. So for that, I got a Chotu Micellar water for myself, since I cannot carry that 400 ml version. So yeah, you all know how much I love Garnier's Micellar water and how quickly I just managed to completely finish it off. So yeah, this is a Chotu pack for that reason. And yeah, नेल पेंट्स के बिना भी मेरा हॉल वीडियो कंप्लीट नहीं होता है, सो आई हैव मैनेज्ड टू परचेज मोर. दीज आर बाय फेसेस कैनेडा. इट्स फ्रॉम द स्प्लैश कलेक्शन and this is how it looks like. Now the Splash range is so inexpensive for the quality that you get that I am guilty of purchasing this every time I do a haul video. This one is Linty 45 and this one is Sunnyside Up 51, and ये मेरे शर्ट से मैच करा. I should have worn it, but anyhow I absolutely love it. My last product in this haul video is a restock from the brand Egde. It's their Healthy Roots hair oil. This is how it looks like. I have completely finished this off, so yeah, I have restocked on this one. I don't use any other oil. I just use this one and it works really well for me. So yeah, a must try. With that, it's a wrap to this Amazon haul video. Links as usual will be given in the description box below. Don't forget to check it out. And yeah, if you did like this video, hit the like button. Also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Comment down below with any video requests or anything in general. I love reading your comments. And yeah, I'll see you in my next one. Till then, take care.